Sounds of the shakedown.
Boobs!
That'll be the intro.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yo, Mike, how are you? Yeah, I'm with
Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, bye. Oh, yeah, let's get karaoke. Are you going to sing? Are you going to sing? No. Who's going to sing?
As Pauling.
Patrick Valentine. I'm from Clifton Park, New York. 30 minutes from New Cabell, New York. Albany, so very, very nice town to live in. I am a sophomore. My major is mass communications. I have a concentration in media production. I think the videos are alright. Listen to them somewhat. But they're a pretty cool band. Favorite city, I'd have to say Boston. Because I go there for hockey and want to explore. I like learning stuff about American history.
Sounds of the shakedown.
Boobs!
My name's Nicole. Sophomores. Psychology.
And we're roommates.
Yeah, and we're roommates. City? Boston. I live in Boston. I've lived there my entire life, so. Yeah. I'm neutral. I don't really. Never really listen to them a lot.
Sounds of the shake. Sounds of the shakedown. Sounds of the shake. Sounds of the shakedown.
Dan Ferran rhymes. Isn't that dope? Dan Ferran. Yeah. They do. Well, at least my mom does. Freshman. Yeah. Way. Yep. I'm going back to arts management. I had 4 different majors to begin with. Okay, so it all started out with arts management, and then it moved to fine art, and then it moved to mass comm, and then it moved to accounting, and then I was like, no, okay, I'm going back to arts management. I just didn't feel like taking business classes this year. I only took 1, that was accounting. Exactly. Yeah. Franklin, Mass. That's awesome. Well, originally I was born in New York City, Staten Island, lived there for 8 years. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie. Love the Beatles.